welcome to the vlog. Every time I say that, it feels like Hamish Webb should be standing right here.
Am I in the vlog?
Yes, Hamish, you're in the vlog. This is the Earnslaw. We're taking the 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. cruise. It's an old vintage steamship. In the late 1800s, a number of vessels provided access to isolated sheep stations around the shores of Lake Wakatipu. Demand for an improved shipping service led to tenders being let for the building of a new vessel. The tender of £20,850 from McGregor and Company was accepted in 1910. Prefabricated in Dunedin, the vessel was dismantled and railed to Kingston at the south end of Lake Wakatipu. Reassembled in Kingston, the TSS Earnslaw was launched on the 24th of February 1912. Fitting out and late trials continued until October 1912, where the vessel was officially handed over to the New Zealand Railways Department. With features such as a first-class dining saloon, social hall and ladies' cabin, ship's bar, electro-plated cutlery and a white saloon roof picked out in gold, the TSS Earnslaw was the pride of Lake Wakatipu. During these early days on Lake Wakatipu, the TSS Earnslaw carried a variety of cargo ranging from wool to bulldozers. New roads and alternative methods of transport eventually led to a decreasing demand for the vessel's cargo services. An important link with Queenstown's past, the Lady of the Lake continues to provide visitors with an opportunity to cruise the lake in style and comfort.
Am I in the vlog?
Yes, you're in the vlog, Hamish.
Kia ora folks, tama harangai. Welcome to Alta Peak. The barbecue dinner, please make your way up to your left. Go over there, have your tickets ready. Thank you.
It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah, there's not a lot of things that piss me off in this world, but we're on the boat and we can see that there's some people that have left their bags behind. So it's like, okay, somebody's going to come back for those bags, no problem. So I sit down and I'm not sitting on top of anybody's bag. And then sure enough, somebody comes back and says, oh, excuse me, my bag's there. So I'm like, okay, fine, take your bag. And then she kept repeating it, my bag's there, but my bag's there. So sending me the message that, oh, please move. And bear in mind, there's no allocated seating on this boat. It's just you sit where you want to sit. So I get up to move, and then she's like, oh, no, don't leave, you don't have to leave. Well, fuck you. You can't have it both ways. Fuck you. So it's a buffet dinner. So that was a pretty good buffet dinner. Pretty good overall. I wouldn't say the food was that fantastic. They got a lovely garden here. A few pushy Chinese people wanting me to hurry up and taking all of the prawns. Luckily we didn't run out of prawns. Let me go check out these animals now. There's the hand washing station. Oh, red deer. New Zealand is now the world's largest exporter of farmed venison and velvet. Don't ask what deer velvet is. Google it. It's I can't tell you in the video. You need to Google it. You're gonna eat the microphone next, huh? I bet you do that. They only want the food. That's all. All they care about is the food. Oh, baby lambs!
ticket.
Pretty heavy. I'm gonna charge, I'm coming. Oh. God, these things weigh like 10 kilos each.
Ah.
Am I in? You're in the vlog, Hamish.
Dune buggies! Here it is, the sheep shearing pavilion.
And it's all blown away, the wind. As I go further down, just got to be cautious, get close to their teats. So you just got to be really careful in there. And hopefully she doesn't move at the long time. So I'm just taking my time in there. I actually put my fingers over them just to protect them while I get in there. There we go. Around here, around there. Right. So this time, I'm going to start on this leg here. Yeah, vibrating against her skin, not very comfortable for her. That's why she's wriggling when I go over that back. Keep pulling her back with it, so tied up around the bum there. Right over. Some I have there. Get her up there. Back on my feet. Get your elbow. Get away.
Dirty, greasy.
Am I in the vlog? Am I in the vlog? Am I in the vlog? You're in the vlog, Hamish.
Well, that was the TSS Earnslaw Cruise on Lake Wakatipu from Queenstown. Coco's done this tour before. My first time. I enjoyed it. You know, it was a nice cruise. We're about to head back now. Nice buffet meal.